The Government of India is transforming its civil service, for which it is shifting from the current rule based system of personal administration to a role based or competency based system of strategic human resource management. Therefore, UPSC is emphasizing selecting those candidates who have the ability and dispositions to work in higher civil services according to the role based or competency based system of SHRM, whereas it is demoralizing those students whose knowledge is based on book or content and do not have real world understanding and are less developed in the higher order skills. Book or content knowledge such as facts, information, theories, concepts, and fluency in subject matter, etc., provide inert knowledge and do not enable students to work in real life. Higher order skills are core intellectual competencies and are recognized as leading 21st century skills. Higher order skills are crucial for effective decision making, real world complex problem solving, and providing leadership. Therefore, these skills are essential for civil servants to be productive and effective in their role. And that is the reason UPSC emphasizes more to test candidates' higher order skills to select the most suitable candidates for higher civil services. The ability and dispositions of a person are determined by his intellectual identity. The intellectual identity of a person defines him who he is in terms of intelligence, knowledge, skills, attitude, foresight capabilities, and strategic outlook. Therefore, the intellectual identity of a person determines his ability and dispositions and differentiates him from others and enable him for outstanding performance in the role. Therefore, the civil services examination tests candidates intellectual identity but not book or content knowledge. The intellectual identity of a person is shaped or determined by his deliberate efforts of learning and development to acquire right knowledge, higher order skills, and right attitude, but not by innate talent and IQ. The cutting edge research in brain science and learning sciences and real life experiences have clearly established that innate talent and IQ of a person do not determine his success in any field of life. Therefore, to get your desired success in the civil services examination, you require transformative education. Transformative education provides relevant and high quality knowledge and develops your higher order skills and positive attitude toward public service and shapes your intellectual identity to enable you to construct high quality responses. After completing this program successfully, you will be able to solve maximum questions correctly in prelims examination, and in main examination you will be able to construct high quality answers to all questions and get very high score. In interview test, you will be able to face interview with confidence and be able to construct high quality responses to all questions. This program is based on a strategic and focus approach and applies the science of learning and the best practices to maximize your score in the exam and reduce the time and effort in getting your desired success in the civil services examination. This complete preparation program will be completed in 52 weeks or 1 year and is available in an online and scheduled format. This program includes 350 plus lecture videos, essential readings, various projects and real life case studies, formative and summative assessments, and a private discussion forum in a form of coaching circles and the facility of asking relevant questions. This program is the most effective and efficient program to develop knowledge, skills, and attitude necessary for outstanding performance in the civil services examination. This program enables you to get your desired success in the civil services examination in 1 year of preparation.